my dear friends list. What a fabulous year it has been since we began the practice. Once we got started underneath the orchids, we haven't been able to miss a single beat or did. Merry Christmas, my dear friends list. Don't forget to remember this. I won't be able to exchange gifts as regular as the norm was, because it's that time of year again when old acquaintances and annoying family friends comes dropping in and our comfort zone again. Like this annoying Martin, remember him? Yes, and grumpy old uncle, always pocketing something to us only. Yeah, that's our uncles for you. They are coming over again this week, and there is nothing I can do to stop it. Their family, I'm told, angrily and pissed, and we don't get to choose ours. Table feast, which always serves to get me bursting through the doors first thing and hastening towards the exit. I'm more than certain. But there is one bright spot to look at and take comfort in knowing more the fact that this Christmas break will soon be over. Then we'll get back to our doing as before, with such familiar burdens placed on me to handle. None of this will stop or steer me clear of saying to you this year, Merry Christmas, my dear friends list, and a very happy New Year to the following week.